What's good, YouTube? Back to the channel. It's your boy Rambo Lee. Back at y'all. I ain't been in front of y'all in about 2-3 months, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I had a lot going on. Like, I don't know how good y'all can hear me, cause I got the windows down. My truck is loud. But I just want to give y'all an update on what's all going on with Rambo. So, as y'all probably seen last time, well, probably the last big thing that I've had happen to Rambo was the electrical issue when my whole truck just shut down. That was scary. But we're doing some upgrades this week. Right now I'm about to sell my old tires. I'm about to sell them to a tire shop for like 50 bucks. I don't care. I'm really just getting tired of them sitting in my garage. And then I gotta show y'all later in the video. I'm gonna show y'all what's stuck in my tire. I'm gonna show y'all what's stuck in my tire a little bit later. It's like a long piece of metal, about that long. It's split in two, so I'm kind of wondering what it is. So I'm gonna take it to my brother. Y'all get to see my brother today, and he gonna try to get that thing out my tire for me. Also, RIP to my little cousin Thompson, man. Passed away last night. Man, it's crazy, man. It's my 5th homie in 3 months. 5th. Well, that's why I just love the ones that's around you. Love everybody, man. Cause you never know when somebody's last time, or you never know what's gonna be your last time, man. Love everybody you got around you, man. Care for them, check on them. I check on all my friends all the time. Once I really I check on them all the time. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all with me when I get to my brother tire shop. Man, make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below what y'all like. So yeah, we about to start doing more stuff in this is copywriting, so I'm about to hit y'all up later. Alright y'all, so let me show y'all what happened. So I was driving on the highway one day, and then this got stuck in my tire, this piece right here. It feels sharp, like I don't know what it is, like that's the thing. It's actually pretty long too. But yeah, my new original tires, they're already in West Columbia anyway, so I might go ahead and get this yanked out. But these might be my play tires until they gon' go. I don't think I might sell them, I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think I should sell these tires? But I gotta get some new spikes because I don't like these matte black spikes. And my new rims light gloss black anyway, so I don't want these. So you about to see what we can do. They already sprayed stuff on it. It doesn't bubble, so it didn't penetrate through. Y'all see the horn blasters. Train horns, shout out to horn blasters for those. And shout out to Mickey Thompson, y'all see. Hey, but yeah, everybody go tag Mickey Thompson in this video. So let's see if we can get me some new tires. But yeah, I'm mad at Take 5 oil change 2. Let me get back up here. So I'm mad at Take 5 oil change 2 because homeboy stole my valve stem covers. I noticed that like the day after, man, I was like, bro, they just $5. I really don't care. I can just get some more. I'm probably about to get some different color ones anyway. But bro, don't steal from me, bro. Especially when we work for a corporation, bro. I can ruin everything for you. But yeah, man, we about to get this tire taken care of. And tomorrow, we will be in Charlotte at the car shop. I forget what it's called, but Camacat's gonna be there, Josh Larrock gonna be there. And some other YouTubers, Tor 704 gonna be there. Shout out to Tor 704. But let me know about that event. I'm gonna be in there. I don't know if Changing Lane's going yet. We're gonna figure that out. Me and my homeboy Dale trying to go up there. So we lit. We gonna be there tomorrow. We lit. Oh yeah, man. Interior's coming soon. I'm working on that. What y'all think? Y'all think I should do the Rosewood Stars? What y'all think? I need a cut, bro. Cool. Come cut me, dog. But these front tires, they about done. But yeah, once these new original tires get put on Thursday, I will be having fun with these rims. And what else? Hey, y'all didn't see the new original tires yet. They are actually in Columbia, but they're not at the house yet. So we're working on getting those. They should be delivered on Monday. They got delivered in Columbia about 2:15 this morning. The 18-wheeler dropped them off, and when I called the people, they said it's gonna be delivered off an 18-wheeler too. So I gotta have an appointment, and I gotta get to the house so I can sign for it, or my dad might sign for it, whatever. But yeah, we about to lit. Let's just say we about to be sticking out back here. and in the front. I might put the 2 expresses in the front just for extra. And we got to trim a lot in the front, so a lot of this stuff don't have to go. And with it being getting done during the week, unfortunately I won't be able to record it because, as y'all know, I gotta work. My children are more important than the truck fund. And without them, I wouldn't be able to do this stuff right now. I'm not getting paid for YouTube anyway. I just like doing it for a hobby. But until I start getting paid for it, kids it is, dog. But for it, I need a cut and I need reaches. Don't grow me too bad in the comments, dog. But oh yeah, also I got a new camera, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this camera quality. Is it better than the GoPro? Because I lost my phone actually. I can't find it. It's probably somewhere in my son's toy or somewhere. But yeah, man, we about to get his tires taken care of right quick. I forgot for my brother on camera and got it, but he over there. He over there doing work. Shout out to my brother though. Love my brother too though. Alright, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. There we go, flag. Here we go. Well, I got to look rich. Get these tires off. Because these spikes, they take a special wrench to get them off. So we're about to find out.
Couple pieces. There's no girls there.
Oh no, I'm there. My wife will kill me before she kills her. If I see it, just see what it is.
You know? No, I don't care. It's just one piece. I gotta get out the piece now.
What did I hit? Like, what is this? Like, God. Damn. We still got one more piece to get out.
Yeah.
But before he even pulled that out, he can shout out to Mickey Thompson for these tires. Because these tires are good. Blade.
Yeah. Sheesh. Gotta leave him alone. Gotta leave him alone.
Sheesh. Man. Man, like I said, huge shout out to Mickey Thompson, dog. Mickey Thompson, I need a sticker for the back of my truck now. Y'all see we got the YouTube back there, we got Instagram, huge shout out to Skynet team, man. Thank y'all for welcoming me to the family. Got photography business, and huge shout out to D&D Custom Auto, who do all my stickers and all my labels and all that good stuff. Shout out to Express Oil Change and Tires and Service. Alright, man, they do way more than just brakes, tires, stuff like that. They got rotating balance, they got tires, they got diagnosis, brakes, they got AC service. Obviously, they're over here doing a whole bunch of oil changes. They do all this good stuff, man. So shout out to everybody that's staff over here. Sorry, I'm like all jumping at work. Shout out to my brother, who's a manager here. Make sure y'all come see my brother. If y'all need anything, service done to your cars, oil changes, all that good stuff, he gonna take care of y'all, alright? I got you. I was just giving you a shout out. I just gave you a shout out. Yeah, man. Hey, y'all just heard him. I gotta go get him on camera. Shout out to my bro. I can't go over there put everybody on camera because everybody might not want to be on camera, you feel me? And it's all respect. It's all respect at the end of the day. But yeah, man. As I told y'all earlier in the video, Me and my son, we will be in Charlotte tomorrow at the Joshua Ryan and Chemican car meet. They got a Charlotte Toro 704 for let me know about that event, and we're gonna see him tomorrow. I'm gonna let y'all get up close on his car too as well. Also, I recorded a car meet last week, the Change Your Lanes car meet, but I bought this camera the day before, right? And I didn't know that it wasn't in the right format. As you can hear, my compressor's now going off. You can even hear it on the inside of the cab too when I'm driving. But shout out to Horn Blasters for that. I need to stick up to y'all Horn Blasters. I need to stick to Mickey Thompson. Well, actually I don't. I'm about to switch tire brands. I'm sorry, Mickey Thompson. But I'm about to switch tire brands on y'all this week. But y'all stay tuned for that video. I'm trying to keep talking so my brother can get on camera right quick. And let me know. And like I said earlier, let me know what y'all think about the camera quality in this video right here. But I'm gonna show y'all what came out my tire again. Bruh, look at this. Now I'm trying to figure out what did I hit, because it feels like plastic with a top. I burned my hand, man. Clearly it's a metal, but like, I'm just trying to figure out what it is now. Yes. But it came right out. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get my brother on camera. I'll get my brother on camera right quick. Alright. So, as y'all know, this is my brother right here. Make sure I come see him at Express Oil Change and Tire Service. Yeah, he'll take care of y'all. Right here on Kill. Get him. Kill your road. I don't be open like that no more.
You got it out?
Yeah. The pieces right here. Woo! Now I'm trying to figure out what it is. Because if it's something that's coming off the highway, NCDOT, y'all owe me.
Oh man. Yeah, that's nasty right there.
Well, y'all already know if it was a regular road tire.
Oh, that'd have been gone. That'd have been done for. Shoot, make sure you don't drive it in the parking lot. Ain't no regular tire around here. They're gonna pop the thing.
Oh yeah.
Well, man, you got it out without me.
Yeah. I gotta cut the video off because I gotta tell my brother what's about to happen on Thursday. Alright, y'all, I gotta get out of here. Make sure I go below, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment. I know I just said that, but I'm gonna say it again. I gotta go because I got other stuff I gotta do, and I got pictures to finish because I'm a photographer. I'm gonna show y'all again what came out the tire, and it's actually metal. It's actual metal. You can hear it. But yeah, man, SCDLT, y'all owe me. Alright, man, I'm out. Peace.